How to find trending topics for YouTube? If you are a newbie to YouTube, you need to come up with some solid YouTube ideas. These ideas must relate to your interests, such as what do you like? What do you do? In which skill you are proficient? You need to introspect yourself and your interests. And even your objectives also, if it is related to your business. Your YouTube channel idea must be fresh and engaging that can excite viewers easily. Maintaining your YouTube account for your brand is an underused and incredible tool to aim your targeted audience. But, to start this business, you need to know the basic knowledge about top video trends. Make strategies about your niche and learn what is the process to optimize your content on a video platform. 2. Most popular topics on YouTube. In this blog, we have discussed the best trending YouTube video ideas for beginners. But before this, scroll down below for having an idea about trending YouTube channels. Fashion channel. New fashion trends always attract audiences, and people always love to listen to valuable fashion advice. If you also fashion enthusiastic and have good knowledge about fashion, then you can start a fashion channel on YouTube. Gaming channel. If you are into gaming, then starting a gaming channel on YouTube is a fun and profitable idea. Business channel. This idea is not trending, but if you are an entrepreneur and want to advertise your products, then you can start a business channel on YouTube. You can show videos of your products, testimonial videos, or any event videos on that channel. Fitness and sports channel. This is a solid idea for starting a YouTube channel. People love to stay fit and active, so if you are interested in fitness or can perform yoga or any sports activities, you can start your fitness or sports YouTube channel. Music channel. If you are into singing and eager to teach songs to interested people, you can start your YouTube channel. TV and movies channel. If you love to share your thoughts about TV and films with the audience and have an interest in listening to others' opinions about TV and movies, you can start your TV and movies channel on YouTube. All-time YouTube trending topics. Although the very question of how to find trending topics for YouTube videos could be overwhelming for novice or beginners, this list of ultimate all-time popular YouTube channel ideas will help you get started. Tech channels discuss new gadgets, upgrades, upcoming technologies and so much more on a dedicated tech channel. You'll never run out of content for this genre. Unboxing. A popular style amongst YouTube influencers, it is an extremely popular genre amongst all age groups. Choose your niche passionately and get going. Challenges. This is more of a trend-based thing as challenges have escalated from small to extreme. YouTube challenges manage to capture audiences' attention on a humongous scale. Pranks. Pranks have been one of the most thriving YouTube video ideas for many years. Small to big, most pranks are always entertaining. Time-lapse. People love amazing time-lapse videos from transitions to day and night ones. All you need is a good quality camera. Cue and a video. It is a future approach idea after your channel has gathered some interest and a specific style of audience. Rant. Any subject in question bothering you or society could be ranted about nowadays. Keep it funny and sensible to keep your users engaged. Things to do. This could be anything about tourist destinations, food joints, or adventurous activities. Pick your forte and start filming. Life hacks. A very useful channel genre that could strike gold if done correctly. Life hacks are very useful and amongst the most watched videos in 2022. Top 10 or best of. A simple video channel that includes a list of top 10 best of various industries is an approach to follow if you have good research skills. 5. Most popular topics on YouTube in 2022: business solutions, collaboration videos, product tutorials, idea makeup challenge, reaction videos, videography, trick shots / skills, diet plan, song cover, political satire / news channels, educational channels, music channel, unboxing videos, prank videos, rant videos, tips and tricks. What topics are trending on YouTube? And some of the popular YouTube trending topics taking the video world by storm are: makeup tutorials. If you are someone from the beauty industry and know several techniques and details about doing good makeup, spin up your channel with makeup tutorials. Current affairs, non-biased and listing about the latest happenings around the world is something that the audience will encourage. Funny videos. You can start a YouTube channel where you post original funny acts by yourself, or even create a compilation of others' funny videos. Is the do-it-yourself culture or DIY is quickly gaining pace, and today, most users want to have something that they've created themselves. Teaching. You can upload video lessons on your channel and provide quality education. There is no restriction about the topic or subject that you need to teach and share your priceless knowledge with the audience. How-to videos. A how-to video channel can include a variety of videos explaining easy solutions to day-to-day problems of common people and paves the way to make their life easier. Dancing. To dance like a pro, most people tend to look at videos online. If you are a good dancer, it's time to make use of your moves. Food. A culinary channel has a mammoth potential on YouTube. Make sure to be unique and interesting to stand apart. Health. 2020 has been a wake-up call to everyone that health must be prioritized above all. Channels emphasizing health are bound to resonate with the audience. Motivational speaker. If you can ace communication, motivational videos are the fourth most searched topic on YouTube.